Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black gold pearl. It looks great, nice kind of brown color. You do have the Laramie grille up front there with your chrome bumper. You also have your projector style headlights and fog lights down there. And coming all the way around to the side of the vehicle here, we do have our general brand tires. They look great. You do also have the 20-inch rims on them, and you do have the Longhorn badging right there, as well as your heated exterior mirrors with the tow mirrors with your turning signals. You also have your running boards along the bottom there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your 6-foot box. You do also have your Laramie Longhorn badging there, your backup camera. You do have your badging and the park sensors. You can open this guy up right here. Lots of room back here. It does have the box liner as well. It does have the cover on it, so everything will be nice and safe. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and we got our panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You do also have this nice wood accenting handle here, some storage and more down here. Looks great in here. The brown leather is very comfortable. Got the Longhorn badging on it as well. They are electric seats, so backward and forward, tilt, lumbar support, and seat memory. And then right up here, we do have the controls over our lights, so auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And right up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our oil life up there. Now, in the center, it does also tell us how many kilometers we have, the temperature outside, and all that fun stuff. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow options, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And right in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Looks fantastic. You do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through your disc, USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You also have your SD card. Controls over your heated seats, vented seats, and heated steering wheel. Climate control is right here. Navigation, if you hit view map, you can see we are on Recreation Place. You have your phone options and your settings, and when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Right down here, we have the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low, and then you got the volume up and down with your mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power, off auto, front and rear defrost. Then you also have your trailer brake, traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brakes, park sensors, and then you do have your heated and vented seats as well as your heated steering wheel. Some storage here and here, as well as your cup holders. You got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, lots of room in there, as well as a USB, aux cord, and a SD card slot. You can lift this guy up, even more room under there with your CD player. And then right over here, we do have our top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. Looking great. And then up top, you have your universal garage door opener right over here, the control over the window in the back, and your control over your sunroof. Looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you have that same wood accenting your handle here, and you also have your control of your windows, handle, storage, and more down there. Looks fantastic back here as well. The brown leather. You can fold this guy down right here. You've got an armrest with some cup holders as well. There is seating for 3 back here. You can fold this guy up. You do have some storage underneath there. Underneath the other side is a subwoofer. And then underneath here, you do have some extra storage. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around view of the 2013 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.